In 400 feet, turn right onto East Washington Street.
So yeah, Flav, aka Mr. Nigga, made it to Naptown, and I just got some chicken from that spot, and little side, some greens and all that stuff. It was kind of lousy. I think I probably got there at the end of the day. Chicken was kind of dry, so I pulled up this little park here, and I guess it's the hood park. People had their little car show going. I shouldn't say little car. That just condescending. They had the car show going. I wish that you could have heard the bass. These guys in that, it's the Kentucky niggas and also Indianapolis niggas. They like that bass in their car. They like. So yeah, this is Indianapolis Helium, and I'm in the building with the guys and Deja. Deja, she make things happen. She on the road. With much respect, that's the OG saying right there, man. I'm on the road. I just came down to meet my guys, man. If they're nearby where I can, shoot out there, in a bump fist and raise palms with them. I'm going out there and holler at my nigga. Yeah, what I with it.
Hey man, we prepared. Local business. Yeah, I'll be being funny for that. Diamond.
Okay, so Diamond. What's
Alright, so you got $20. I got CCA. So with $20 membership, stock, crypto, real estate.
okay.
See this right here. This is what you call the backstage or the green room.
Found somebody famous.
As you can see, this wall here has all types of signatures from the previous acts who have stood on the Helium stage in Indianapolis, Indiana. As I was trying to read him, I missed some names. So you maybe see Tommy Davidson right there. I missed him the first time. Rewind it back and check it out. I'm just trying to detail and document what I experienced. This is my experience, Hey, you take it how you want to take it, you dig. Charleston White on the road, Helium Comedy Club, the new Underground Railroad comedy tour coming to a city near you. Yeah, that's what that is.
Are you from Indiana?
Yeah. Comedian and a business owner in India. I own Genevieve TLC, Great Class Workplace, HR, Comedy, and Wellness. I'm an HR professional. I've been, I forget my age, but almost 20 years.
If I say his name, but I feel like I'm mentioning some type of entrepreneur.
Probably. Now, are y'all connected with IBIZA and are y'all going to some of? Okay, y'all have any?
See, can't just no Rudy Poot, nobody just come up in the spot and not have an invitation to be in the area where they are it's considered classified. So yeah, this is the experience, the backstage experience. You know, hang in there, people. Y'all see your nigga TK Kirkland right there, man. Look how far we've come. Look who's here.
Indiana Permanent Administration. I just got certified. I'm business certified June this year. So what that means is any.
See, when they talk about a feast in the presence of my enemies, y'all look at this wall, man. Look at this wall here, and you know, just look at what's on this wall up there. It's in big old bold letters. Who that person is? That person, you know, use me, but don't misuse me. You don't abuse me in your usage of me. You know, so yeah, just he'll make a feast for you in the presence of thine enemies. That's what Mama used to say that too. You get your good praying mama and grandmama. That's even more better. That nigga Godfrey here, fan of Charleston White. Well, at least from my understanding, I ain't no record of him reaching out to Mr. Charleston. And you know, hey man, it is what it is. Nigga blind man shuffle his way to get here. Look y'all, there go Corey Holcomb. He one of them big dogs on the internet and I guess on the stage too. Look at it.
They have a, if you're registered with the state, they have a Black Business Training Institute. They have the
y'all need to be laughing at all in my white boy joke. See, y'all know what I mean? Was going to put me a white boy in front of me, and y'all treating me. Yeah, y'all laugh for Scruncho, and then y'all get a little rough with David Lucas.
Look here, you better not get caught recording on your cell phone at the Charleston White Comedy Show, man. Them people gonna put you out. See, I work in the Charleston White Facebook fan page, the official one, as administrator. They about to put my ass out for trying to record some shit.
You want to backpack some knock you over. So they gave me an honorary badge. Then I realized you can make Susie too rich. You the rest of it. It's called Citizens on Patrol. So yeah, I'm a cop. I made it home. Yeah, I'm the motherfucking police, nigga. And what made me the first time I called police on a nigga, I was working on the board. When I got to like my side, I hate a nigga to always try to put darkness when you come to the set. He touches his tweets. That's what they do. But nigga, I'm gonna make sure you shine because
You rock that hoe for like an hour and 10.
tell you, nigga,
Real? I'm thinking about an hour.
I lost some time. Look,
It ain't nothing wrong with that.
when I tell you in less
I didn't sign any
than
paperwork.
in less than 3 years, he gonna be
Don't get that. Yeah.
nobody.
I'm fucking with
Listen,
Charles. It's good.
nobody gonna be able to fuck with this nigga.
Oh God.
Nigga, who you know can follow me? Nigga, nobody.
Scruncho.
Who you know right here? Come on, nigga.
Go watch the nigga set. Go watch the nigga set for the Miami Improv. I like name on the back.
How many? Listen, homie.
Charles, would you put
He gonna nigga truth.
The nigga the truth.
He gonna be beyond the truth.
Man.
When a nigga could flip the game,
on the raw truth. You know, come on, my nigga.
But listen, they ain't got to when he was in the street doing the work in the street.
How many niggas pretending to be a snitch?
And they would work it in this event.
Yeah, nigga.
Come on, man. Alex Stein the fruit.
Looking like money, man, because they give us money, man. I keep telling y'all, man, this is what we do in real life, man. You hear me? This is what we doing in real life, man. I told y'all, man, in real life, we really doing this shit. I know a lot of y'all sitting around, a lot of y'all trying to figure out what's happening, man. And I'm still telling y'all, say, man, this what's happening, man.
This what's happening.
Say, man, this what's happening, man. Say, man.
You want to put his
I'm
pawn.
gonna take me a picture picture, man.
Get it in their face with it.
Picture.
Check out their poo.
Say, and get what?
They ain't the Gucci shoes, but they match. I'm coordinated with the sweater, and I had the hat on, but I had to take the hat off. You know, I had to open up the sweater because it's a little hot. You know, the green in the bucket hat matched with the dark green in the sweater. You know, the dark green Puma.
Hey man, palms up, that. Say, man. But yeah, man, we out here. Man, we finna have a great time, man. We finna put on a great show.
You bring out. I'll take out all the boxes. Let me know in case I need to run go get it. It should be in that box. Y'all put boxes in the little box.
See, y'all pay attention. And so nigga might be on bullshit for a little bit, but then they flip back to being on their function in a millisecond. Uh-oh.
We used to play basketball.
You got it.
We didn't have the hoop. Remember the milk carton? The milk carton. We used to play milk carton. We was like in the alley. You know what I'm saying? So now
So my comedy comes. This is the big feet on. I recognize the big
Get real love in these cities. I've been through several cities with Mr. Charleston and the guys, man. It'll be real. It don't be it's so much. Can't no love, can't no hate even penetrate with this nigga be in these venues where it be pure. It's like, man, you see it. Y'all see what it is, man. I ain't got to talk about it.
boo boo. Let's go shit.
had to get him a zone. Say, what's up? Say, oh.
Real black men around here.
We can buy the merchandise.
They might not like it. Three. Yep, lock it in. One. Three, two, one. Remember I was asking you? Yeah.
Yeah, man, these people come show real love. Look at their faces, man. You don't see nothing but joy and happiness in these people's faces, man. And look here, man, it don't just be the nigga folks. I mean, the African American, the blacks. Look, we got all demographics. We got, you know, the good white folks, they call them the Sane niggas, but you know, we all, I's a nigga, you's a nigga, he's a nigga, we some niggas, would you like to be a nigga too? It be real love at these spots, man, and I appreciate the honor and opportunity to be in the vicinity of it all. Mr. Nigga, man.
Come on, honey. This is a Barber Exp. It was good. 3, 2, 1.
Love, man.
Yes, sir.
Boy, I hate them niggas with them muscles. I hate them niggas with them muscles. That's how I'm trying to get me some. Yeah, they got some new steroids I can take.
Big homie, you selling some of them police had shirts for fun?
You can have the one I got. I'm gonna get it to you. Just stay right there, I got you.
Real nigga shit.
Oh, man, if this ain't real nigga shit right here, bro. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, man.
3, 2, 1.
She got you.
What's that, a portrait?
There you go. Now 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Say, look at to my nigga nationals. When you come to a Charleston White event, or whether it be a Charleston White comedy show, man, you should be assured that you more than likely will be amongst your kind. And how do you recognize your kind? By the way that they act, man. Watch this lady's reaction to my nigga, man. This is genuine. I mean, this is genuine love, man. Listen here. Look at this here.
We ain't going nowhere. You got something for me.
Yeah.
Say, look here, man. A tear almost came to a nigga eye, man. No bullshit, man. Look here, man. And sis knew what shirt she wanted too. She knew which one. Hey, that's love, nigga. So check it out. Usually when I go to my niggas' events, I like to be in the background and not be too much in the spotlight. But this is the second time, you know, I had seen Scruncho. I'd seen Scruncho in Vegas previously. Real gracious fella, man. Seemed like a good dude, man. Look at this right here, man. Just trying to show
Charles the best.
Such a great, man. That was a great night in Naptown, man. Catch you a copy of Charleston White comedy show.
Yeah, bro. You know, it was a great night, wasn't it? All right.
Charleston White, baby. They tried to band. We gotta support. Man, I'm still my photos out. Hey, no. Yeah, that's my. Hey, man, yeah, come on, man, get in. No, Daddy, come on. Hey, hold on. Hey, bro. I appreciate you got it. Your delivery is good, baby.
We'll get it again. I always come back around.
3, 2, 1. There you go. They left their keys. What you talking about?